Hello everyone, Upgrade here from Purpose Cake Studio, Kaduna, Nigeria. Make fried rice with us. First, we're going to start with the scrambled egg. You have to allow your pan to get really hot, then you do this. Now, once we do this, all right, and that is that for scrambled egg. Okay, yep, that's all. All right, I think let me measure this for our fried rice. I'm going to use a measuring cup and measure so that we don't have excess oil in our rice. So this should be enough to cook the quantity of rice we want to cook. I'm just going to allow this to heat up, and then we'll stir fry our onions, garlic, and ginger. Okay. So my onions, allow this to saute. And then you have fresh garlic and ginger, you pour it in. I'm going to use powdered garlic. To fry our vegetables. Then I'll add my spices and seasoning. A little of this. Oh my goodness. And then one seasoning cube. And then I'm gonna put this. Just your desired spices and seasoning. You don't need any artificial color for your fried rice. Can you see this? Can you see the color? Yeah, can you see it? Perfect. Perfecto. Let's pour in our scrambled egg. And then adding our rice to this mixture. So we cook based on ingredients. If this rice is going to be too much for our vegetables and the scrambled egg, we don't need to put all the rice. I think we have space for more. So let's turn this in. And then we're going to add our seasoning cube to this. Let's add our seasoning cube to this. Awesome. So I want to add seasoning cube to this, and I'll just add a little water to dissolve our seasoning cube. Okay, just a little water to dissolve our seasoning cube. Add your seasoning cube as desired. Okay, and then a little black pepper, just your desired spices and seasoning. If you want that soy sauce in, you can add that in as well. Can you see this? Our fried rice looking beautiful already. To add more beauty to this, I'm going to carry red and green pepper and garnish this with some spring onions as well. Okay. Voila! Our fried rice is ready.